Hi! Hello! So, magdi-dinner kami ni Daddy dahil 3rd anniversary namin. So, December 11, 2022 kami nag-meet online. And then, until today, 3 years na kami. So, magdi-dinner kami doon sa restaurant ng aking friend. And then, of course, may dala akong yung ginawa kong creamy spaghetti. Para siyang pinaghalong spaghetti at saka yung Alfredo. Kasi hindi siya red, hindi siya white. Nasa light orange siya. Pero talap niya. For the go. Wow! Ganda! My God! Ang ganda niya, promise. Ganda! Okay, we're gonna go there. That's Eagle. You gotta turn there.
Okay.
Wow.
We can walk back down there and take pictures later if you want.
Yeah, later. Ang ganda. Perfect yung mga lights. Ayan, dito kami mag-dinner ni Daddy. Diba?
Then entrees. Duck breast, no. Blood.
Oh, you want to put her? So, like 2 years ago, oh yeah, wow.
It's nice. That's it. Thank you. Diba?
Enjoy.
Thank you, Ben.
Ready?
Okay. Wow.
We do have the New York strip over here. Maple chipper for the small.
Thank you.
Go.
You?
Enjoy.
We'll turn it this way where you can see the words.
Ayan, o diba? Nag-sharo na naman si Daddy. O diba? Ayan guys, katapos na lang namin ni Daddy mag-dinner. Ayan, thank you so much, Charles, Henrik, of course kay ate, sa husband niya, sa baby, and then Jason, Charles. O diba? Perfect.